So, hi. I just came back from my first set of training with my Nurses Days team. And later, I will be training with my intramurals team, which is the Biasan Angels. I just finished my second set of training. Okay, mag-hola na mi guys. Bye. Odin. Slow days in Davao. So, today is a slow day and wala ako masyado gawin. Just woke up and I'm gonna drop off my laundry. So, yeah.
Sabi pa niya, di siya magpasok. So, nagkagay-tagay ako doon. Siya pasok yung ugaw. Late ako nagising ko. Super magpasok ako. Sabi ako nasa sir.
Go. Kripta.
Hi.
Say hi to my vlog. A week in my life.
Diyan ako pagpalit ako ng edad.
Parang hindi lang umiyak. So we're here at Rebecca's.
Tatlo ko lang. Ano ka? Yun.
Grabe ako sa ano. Hello Love again. What can you say about the movie?
So good. It's a 9.3 out of 10.
Thank you for your review.
I'm gonna review Giacomo. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Giacomo, Von Matterhorn.
Awkward na gani ako masyado sa family ko.
Yung nag-promote talaga lang daw. So hi, good morning. Time check, it's already 7:33 a.m. and today is November 26, 2024 and this is the first day of Nurses Days and this will be my last Nurses Days as well. So I'm on the way to school for the oath taking and then later we will be going to Brackenshire Gym kasi doon ang game. So, see you there!
Stage appeal.
Bye-bye, Chen!
Nindot ang lens.
nervous daw kaniya. Kaya dili daw sanay siya. Lahiya
Ay,
ko.
wala. Di may sabay po si Judy. Istorya niyo mo sa ila, ha?
Noon sa
Katong nasakpa din sa ID store, ay sa Friday. So, hi guys. Today is Wednesday, November 27. And I was not able to film yesterday because I was too busy, guys. Yesterday was our determining game. Maka-championship kami today. So, very focused ako yesterday. And fortunately, today is a championship day. So, today is my last day as a BCI and case presentation ng aking students sa kanilang case study. So, I was not able to update that much yesterday, but your first runner-up sa volleyball, and I received an award, second best open spiker. So I'm very much happy with the result, but we could have done better. So, anyways, that's the update. So I'll just see you later. Good morning. So, I'm out. I'm gonna buy some coffee because today we will be going to Nandi. Pero magpunta pa ako school for the attendance sa Students' Day, and then we're gonna be going directly to Nandi. So I'm with my Longanisa dogs. It's a beautiful day in the morning. Huh? Beautiful day, no? It's a beautiful day out in the morning. Just gonna buy coffee. Bye. Good morning.
morning po.
Ice cold americano, ice latte, white chocolate mocha, ice latte, may matcha latte, banana ice coffee.
Hi guys.
Oh, yeah. Pero wala pa po.
James, say hi.
Okay.
James.
One stickers equivalent to one pay.
Patil 1 po yung
Okay naman.
Patil 1 yung date.
Until January 2, 2025 pa ako.
Okay.
Collecting ng stickers na rin.
Kagit yata. So we're here at Starbucks, grabbing coffee before going to Matt.
Ano go? Okay,
Okay, so grabbed our Starbucks. Cheers.
Hi guys. So drive with me as we go to Matt. Oh yeah,
Go na siya, go.
Ay, go. Okay.
So high. Bago lang kami natapos. What did we do? What did we did? Oh my God! Did we what? What's up?
Kasama si Aliana.
Ay, it's very good.
Aliana, oh.
Kuya BCG. Wow! Saman.
So high. Bago lang kami natapos Famalangke.
Hagimit. Asan ang hagimit ko?
And we're gonna cook later. Go say hi to my vlog. Face the wall. Face the wall.
We're in the Higan. Hi vlog, we're here in Mati. We're exactly here in the Higan. So we're just gonna dip. So you know, we're gonna get our tan and just enjoy the night and enjoy the rhythm of the waves and just drink some few bottles until we drop.
Just 40
Yeah.
drops.
40
40
drops per
bottles.
day. So yeah.
Say hi, go.
Hi.
Oh, pogi naman ang tigsugba. Say hi.
Hello.
Kami doon. Tatlo kami na. Share lang kami sa isang pizza. Tapos sila. Cake is alone. I think we should put this. Pero... Whoop. Go. Hindi ako kalaban.
Iluwasan na.
Charge na ako.
Iluwasan na.
Go!
Pii.
Guide akong baby.
Jam. Huwag na niya gutot.
Oo, maganda.
Hindi na ito maginawa.
Ayaw, ito. Pag ganyan ka, dapat pa. Paano na? Kumuha ka kumbuy mo. Tatakpan ka namin para di mo makita yun. Oh, yes, sa GF now. Ang 2 years, tatakpan natin para di niya makita yung 4 months. Oh, your nose. 1, 2, 3, blow!
May nose?
Kilak lang. Dirty.
Hangover lang muna. Hi. The aftermath of our Matties. I'm drinking coffee. And now, we're going to... Saan tayo magpunta, Lupon? Ako tato? Lupon. We're going to Lupon. Leaving na si Kai. I just woke up, so bye. Hi. Hangover. James. James. Mag-ilis ko ba?
Dapat gibigan mo kung mga backing rocks and so forth like that. Balik tayo. Kung gusto mo backing, kaya papunta nyo ba tayo? Who needs a boyfriend when you have me? Oh, this, tiktok mo na.
Ay, ka ng mga kuwan-kuwan lagi. Always busog. Thanks, Mark.